In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Deezer offline mode not working. So let's get straight into the video. So there are 10 steps you can follow. The first is going to be checking your internet connection. Deezer needs an internet connection to download music or offline listening. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and connect to a stable Wi-Fi just before you download for offline music, okay? But when you're listening to offline music, you won't need an internet connection, by the way. You can simply go ahead and try turning off and turning on the offline mode inside of your settings. If that is not the case, also simply go ahead and check your downloaded content and if it is already downloaded or not. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check for storage. If there is not much storage and your storage is full, you might not be able to play from downloads. If you have any kind of Android device, then you might need to clear your cache. If you don't have a subscription active, then offline mode is only available for premium, so make sure that you have one. If that is not the case, simply go ahead and update your application, disable battery saver or data saver if enabled, and if not, restart your device and your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries,